everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata and this is the Twilight Stitcher. Today I'm going to share with you my project for the KB pattern swap. This is my second time taking part in this. Sienna of A Kittenish Behavior is the host and creator of this challenge, so thank you for choosing me again to be a part of this wonderful community challenge where you get to meet someone that will look through your Instagram feed, watch some of your videos, get to know you a little better, and then decide what pattern you should make. They send you the pattern and you make it based on their recommendation. So it's a really cool challenge and I'm so excited that I can share with you today what I made. So my partner for this year is Meghan. Meghan is on Instagram as Married with Dogs and she does have a YouTube channel. I will leave a link to all of her platforms in the description box so you guys can go and follow her. Now, Meghan checked out my feed and based on all the things that I shared as well as my goal for 2018, which by the way I haven't hit any, she sent me a really nice simplicity skirt pattern. It is this lovely wrap skirt. I did the View D and I really enjoyed making it. It is my first ever complete wrapped skirt. Like, it's like wrapped. If you pull the tie when I'm wearing this, everything's gonna show. I've made wraps before, but they were like more mock, so you know, it was just like a layer that would have a wrap, not a complete wrap. So what I can say about this project is it was so quick. I was so shocked. I couldn't believe like how fast it was. After I cut the pattern the night before, when I laid everything out and I completed it, when it became time to sew, I swear, I sat down at the machine for about an hour and 25 minutes and the skirt was complete. That is amazing, and with no errors. Like, I didn't have to unhem anything. So I'm really happy that this turned out so nice for me because I'm just getting back into sewing often and every weekend, and I love how it turned out. Now, with regard to the fabric, this fabric was purchased, oh my god, about 2 years ago from Hancock Fabric. I wasn't sure what I wanted to make with this, but it was such a beautiful fabric. I love how it crinkled, and as well there are some sort of glitzy aspect within this fabric, so that was another plus for me. So after I made this fabric, after I made this skirt, I'm looking at it and I'm like, I want to showcase this project in its finest moment. I wanted it to look fabulous when I shared it, so I thought about what am I going to wear with this to bring out the best of it, to make it look fabulous. Well, guess what? I had this fabric in my stash for a year. I picked it up at SR Harris in Minneapolis and I wasn't sure what I was going to make with this because again, it's a jersey, it's a knit with metallic, and it just looks like something you'd wear out for the night. So I thought when I bought this that, you know what, I'll make like a really cute high neck cap sleeve t-shirt, just because I thought having such a glitzy fabric in such a plain pattern that it would just, you know, light up any jeans that you wear. It'd just be something so out of the norm that it would look perfect. But I wanted to make something fabulous for this skirt, and I'm like, I'm gonna go through all my Burda pattern and see what's out there that was quick and that I could make really super fast and just didn't have a lot of thinking to do with it. So this top is from the February 2013 issue, and the design is 109. So I will share with you guys a little bit more on the project as you go to the next clip. So there you have it. That is my KB pattern swap skirt. I forgot to mention, you know, that there is 4 panels in this skirt, and then there's the flounce that you add to the hem, and there is the tie waistband, as you can see. So this is the top that I made for this skirt. I really wanted a fabulous piece to put with it, and what caught my attention about this blouse was the asymmetric design that it provided. It felt like it was a perfect marriage for the flounce of this skirt. I thought that they really balanced out each other, and then to think that the color was perfect and it was just in my stash waiting for God knows when to be used, and this was the appropriate time for it. I really love how this whole outfit turned out. Now, I really think I need new shoes. Like I need some kind of blue shoes to really kick this thing up. But I just thought that the nude is fine. I think that even though these are like a subtle pairing, because the skirt isn't really like flamboyant and bright, but the blouse really brings out the entire outfit, that I didn't want to go kill it with like a red heel, which I was thinking about, or or a blue shoes. I was thinking, you know, a blue wedge would be really nice, or an espadrille. That would really make this outfit stand out. However, I thought the nude was fine and it worked really well. I think the whole outfit turned out really cute. I like both pieces and I can't wait to make them again because they were both easy and quick. 3 hours and you have this outfit. I cannot tell you how amazed I was that this skirt took an hour and a half. I was so shocked. But again, it's a fantastic make. I'm so happy to share this with you guys today. I'm so excited to make more projects and share again, and I hope that you guys continue checking out my channel. I have more to share and I'm sharing more because I have a little more time. I'm so excited to bring these for you. So let me know in the comments, you know, what you think. Do you like this outfit? Do you like the color? Let me hear from you. I want to try my best to connect with the group that, you know, are interested in the things that I share, and that for sticking with me because I haven't been here for so long. I'm so grateful to all my subscribers. You guys are really awesome. New ones, I haven't posted videos for a while and you guys are still subscribing, so that really motivates me and pushes me now, and it just invigorates me to make some more and to share more with you all. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you on my next upload, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Twilight Stitcher, as well as Facebook, and thanks again for subscribing. Have a fabulous day and I will meet you on the next upload. Bye.